Alright, I'm back with another video. This is gonna be a banger, so make sure you turn on post notifications, subscribe to the channel. Consistent Josh back into the building. So let's go into this. I'm gonna show y'all how to get silky 180 waves in 2021. I just feel like my knowledge has increased. Just basically, I'm gonna tell y'all what I do and things that you need to do, game you need to be put on to, things you can do to progress your waves to make sure you are ready for the summer. You're ready at all times, any season, any time. So make sure you like the video. Ask me any questions on Snapchat. My Snapchat is going to be right there. If I remember to put it in, it's going to be on the screen somewhere. And then you can ask me questions down below in the comments. I'll greatly appreciate it. But so I'm going to get right into it. Tell you guys what you need to do. And as you can see, my hair is looking magnificent. My hair is looking shiny. It's silky. You know, it's looking amazing, and it's just because I've been using the right techniques. I've been doing the right things. And one of the main things that you guys are want to do is make sure you have a soft, medium, and hard brush. I recommend those to you. As I always say before, if you're new, you may not know this, but you want to have a soft, medium, hard brush, because that soft brush is going to lay down your waves right, and that's important. That's important after you take off your do-rag and when you get a cut. And that medium brush is going to help pull your waves into the perfect connection that you're looking to get to. So whether if you're doing 180, 360, or 720, or 540, if that's your style, you'll be prepared for that pattern. And then for the brushes, I've been telling y'all like all types of brushes. I do Torino Pro curve brush. So make sure you get the curve brush. You can get the crown brush. That's okay. In the video, I'm using a straight brush, but if you're trying to get your angles, straight brushes are kind of like from 180 waves, but angles, like if you're doing a more intricate angle, you're gonna want to get a curve brush, because that's gonna make sure it gets to the sides and make sure they connect, and you don't have to worry about it. You can also blind brush. You don't necessarily have to. When you get more advanced, you don't have to be in the mirror all the time, because the curve brush is going to hit those angles perfectly and hit your your head when it curves, on the sides and on the back. So that's what I do to maintain my silky waves. And then here's also another process with my hair. As you can see, my hair is damp. So this process is what I call it, is the shower brushing method. It's very, very popular on YouTube. If you guys want to check it out, I recommend you do that. You just need to have a good conditioner. You can also use a shampoo and conditioner. But if you want to do a co-wash, which is basically when you use only a conditioner, you can do that. And shower brushing helps out with connections, moisture, and overall hair quality. When you shower brush, you're getting to your scalp. You're actually cleaning your hair even better. You're getting to your scalp. You're getting to your actual hair, and you're laying down your waves as well. So when you do shower brushing, you shower brush consistently and you shower brush well, you are going to get better connections. You're going to get deeper waves as well. So if you're struggling with your hair just not growing right, your hair is just a little brittle, your hair is not as thick, shower brushing is going to moisture and get to your scalp. A lot of times when you are washing in the shower, you don't get to your scalp, so your scalp is not getting the nutrients and blood flow that it needs to grow your hair at a great pace and great length and great quality. So shower brushing just gets all those nutrients in, it gets all the products that you use in, make sure it gets to every area of your head, and that's what I recommend to you. Shower brushing has definitely just been that thing that I just can't live without. If I'm feeling like I'm struggling a month, or I'm struggling this week, or I'm struggling this day, or my waves is really not popping like how it is in this video, I just shower brush, man. So make sure you get that. You can do a Torino Pro. Those are the brushes I have. Those are the brushes that I use. But you can also get a cheaper brush for the shower brushing method, so that way you don't ruin your Torino Pro. Money's tight, or you don't want to just keep buying brushes all the time. So just invest in that. Make sure you get a good brush that's going to help out, and it's going to get your waves silky. You want silky 180 waves. You don't want dry waves. Nobody wants dry waves. So just follow the methods in this video. That's just going to help you, because your hair is going to shine. I haven't done anything to the video. The video is just all me. You know what I'm saying? I just got a ring light, if that. But other than that, there's no editing. My hair is really actually this shiny. And then also too, I grow my hair. I'm not scared to grow my hair. When you are waving, you cannot be scared to wolf. You can't be afraid to grow your hair. You have to learn your pattern. You have to know your texture, and you also have to know how to go past those plateaus. You know, when you are growing your hair out and your hair gets really, really long, getting waves gets harder. Sometimes they disappear, and if they disappear, that means you're not on your routine. So just know to keep growing your hair. Try to get as best as you can with your waves. Do not go to sleep without a do-rag. I repeat, please listen to me. Do not go to sleep without a do-rag ever. If you are waving, just wear a do-rag every day. That's another thing that I think you guys need to know. But do not go to sleep without a do-rag. Do not go to sleep without protecting your hairstyle. And that's just with black men, you know, black women, black children, if you black, Afro descent like me, you have to do that. I can't get around that. You know what I'm saying? I had to wear a protective style, which is basically a do-rag, to preserve the finesse. You know what I'm saying? You got to preserve the finesse. If your wave's going crazy and you know your wave's going crazy, don't sleep on the brushing, because that's how you go crazy. You know what I'm saying? That's how you get what you need out of life. You know what I'm saying? Waves just open up the door, get you what you need out of life. You got to make sure you protecting that. So you got to wear your do-rag. That's just a known fact. That's how all our wavers come together, is by do-rags, because no matter what your hair look like, we all have do-rags to protect our hair at night, man. You gotta have that, and you gotta consistently wear that. But you know, you want to combine all that because you want silky waves. Now to the products. So for the products, for me personally, I use a grease, like an olive oil grease works best for me. For me personally, like that, I can just use a grease, really a grease and a wave grease, like an olive oil grease, and then that gold sporting waves. I use that. I'm Gucci. Like, I'm good. I don't really need all that extra stuff. I don't gotta spend too much money on products. But if you're looking for silky waves is a different tier wave. When your hair is just shiny and silky and it hit the sun, you won't have. That means your hair is healthy. Not only healthy, but you also on your routine, and you brushing like crazy. So when you combine all that, that's how you get silky waves, and it's just important, man. So I do all that together. My older guys who've been on my channel, y'all already know this go crazy, because a lot of y'all can choose when y'all go back into the waves. Y'all can choose like, okay, I want to do waves this month. I don't want to do waves this month. I want to have my hair curly this month. I want to have my hair wavy this month. Y'all already know. So once you learn it, it's never going away. You know what I'm saying? You're going to be able to go back to it. You're going to be able to control your hair, manipulate your hair and how you want it. And that's basically what waves is. But yeah, back to the products. You know, I use Shea Moisture. Right now for 2021, I use all Shea Moisture products. That's just what I do. I invest into my products if I know I want my hair to be silky and flawless. You know what I'm saying? If I try to, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to go crazy, and I'm trying to have my waves going crazy. I'm trying to be the best in the building. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make sure my waves are the best in the building. I make sure I give you my Shea Moisture, because my Shea Moisture go crazy. You know, when I do when I use all Shea Moisture, my hair is silky. Like, y'all know, like, my hair be silky because I use the shampoo, and then I use a conditioner, then I got the hair mask, then I got the gold sporting waves, and then the do-rag. Yo, it's over. It's done. Like, best in the building. Like, I'm gonna be best in the building, and then I can just work on my connections whenever I feel like I need it. But other than that, that's pretty much it. You just want to combine all that together. Please listen to me on this. I'm not going to lead y'all in the wrong way. Y'all my subscribers, y'all family, so I got y'all. But I just combine all that together. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Join the 180 Wave family, because I'm going to have 180 Wave videos for you guys. And also, I'm probably going to have a little bit of real estate content in there for you, because that's what I do. But thank you so much for watching. If you watch this long, I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and run everything up. Ask me any questions, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm out. Peace. Let's go.